video shows the commercial plane igniting into a fireball, barreling down the runway this morning.
Hello viewers, welcome once again to Think Tank TV. Now we had information that a plane carrying about 367 passengers, 12 crew members, burst into flames after collision at Tokyo Airport. Now, over 300 passengers and crew have been evacuated and 5 missing after a plane carrying them burst into flames following a collision with another plane while landing at the Haneda Airport in Tokyo, Japan. According to the New York Times, the incident occurred at about 6 p.m. local time when the plane belonging to Japan Airlines collided with a Japan Coast Guard aircraft and subsequently went ablaze. The plane, Flight 516, was conveying 367 passengers and 12 crew members from New Tito's Airport in the northern prefecture of Hokkaido and set to land at the Haneda Airport around 5:40 p.m. Now let's hear from the FAA safety inspector to give us more insight as to what exactly happened in the airport.
The fact that there were 2 exits actually blocked and not able to be used really made this a miraculous event to be able to get everybody off of there. So what happens at this point is everybody, they deployed the slides so that everybody could get out quickly, and it really is amazing that many people got out of there so quickly. You channel out, you go to your nearest exit. As they always tell you when you get on the airplane, look for your nearest exit. It may be behind you. This is what they did. They were aware, they were conscious, they were ready for any kind of accident, and this crew is amazing that they got everybody out of there so quickly by just channeling them through the aisles. There's already smoke. If you can visualize this, there's smoke in the cabin at the time. There may be fire going on at the time. People are getting out these exits and jumping onto the slides and coming out to the ramp, and then once they clear that, they have to get away. So this is all an incredibly urgent situation, and to have someone be able to manage it, a crew to be able to manage it and get them all out of there safely is really testament to the work that they did to prepare for this type of tragedy.
Local news outlets also showed the plane on fire as it landed on the runway with firefighters trying to quench the flames coming out of the fuselage on the left side of the plane, as well as from the top of the plane. All the 367 passengers and 12 crew members of the Japan Airlines plane have been evacuated, while only 1 occupant of the Coast Guard aircraft have been found, while 5 others are unaccounted for.